On a quartz movement, there are three sections of the hand shaft. The first and lowest is the threaded section. That's where a hex nut goes on to hold the movement in place. The next section is going to be the hour hand shaft, and that's where the hour hand presses on. And the next is the minute hand shaft. If you look real closely, you'll see that the minute hand shaft actually has two little flat sides on it. And that's so you can align the hand properly, and then one of these little nuts goes on the top to hold it in place. The second hand shaft, you have to look very, very closely. It's right inside the minute hand shaft. So we really have four concentric shafts here: the threaded shaft, the hour hand shaft, the minute hand shaft, and the second hand shaft. Actually, there's only two measurements that are important. The threaded shaft length is very important because that's what defines how thick of a material you can go through. And that's why we have 6 different shaft lengths, each one about 1/8 of an inch larger than the other, so that regardless of what material you're going through, there's going to be a shaft available for it. And the other important measurement is the entire length of the shaft, called the overall length, where you measure from the top of the shaft all the way to the bottom of the threading. The overall shaft length is important because if you have any type of glass lens, cover lens on your clock, you want to make sure that you're not putting a shaft in that's so long that it's going to actually hit the top of the lens in some way or have the minute or second hand hit and rub. When you're ready to choose a shaft length for your movement, if there's any confusion at all, just give us a call. You can reach us at 888-827-2387, or you can send us an email, perhaps with a couple of photos of what you're trying to put the movement in. Just always remember, it's helpful for us if you put a ruler in the picture so we get a little scale idea.